Sarah had always heard strange noises coming from the attic of her old creaky house. One rainy night, curiosity got the best of her. She climbed the dusty stairs, heart pounding. As she pulled the string to the light, she froze. In the corner, a dark shadow loomed. It whispered her name in a chilling voice. Sarah felt a cold hand grasp her shoulder. Panicking, she stumbled backward, knocking over an old mirror. In the shattered glass, she saw a reflection of a twisted figure with glowing eyes. With a scream, she ran down the stairs, the entity's haunting laughter echoing behind her. From that day on, Sarah knew to never venture into the attic again.